Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to unpack the boys' closet, declutter, get everything out that we do not want to keep in there, go through their clothes, make sure everything fits, and overall just reorganize and straighten up their closet.
I remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your marbles, but you did not seem to mind at all. We took our bikes to the lake after school each day and skipped many stones from the beach. And one thing you said was, listen, I will have your back always. And now we're grown up, I don't really see you enough. There's too much to be done. Yeah, it's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong.
So here's where all the fun begins. I am taking out every single item that's in this closet. I like to use this technique because it is so much easier for me to remove everything and start with a cleared space and then only put what I know we need back into this space. So here in the boys' closet, I'm going through all their clothes. I'm going to take everything out from the top, everything from the bottom, give it a good cleaning, and then go through their stuff. All these things at the top most of the things at the top are what I call keepsakes. A lot of baby stuff, baby blankets, stuff they've drawn for me, things from old birthday parties. I mean, just anything you can think of, I think I stuffed up there. So if y'all can give me some ideas on how you store your baby keepsakes, I would greatly appreciate it. Leave me some comments down below.
It's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never.
I should have videoed what the other side of the room looked like when I got everything taken out of the closet. You would not believe how much stuff I crammed into there. I mean, of course you saw it in the beginning when we panned through, but spread out, oh my goodness, it was so much stuff. Okay, so everything is removed from the top and the bottom of the closet now. The shelf is clear of everything. I am dusting the top shelf with Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface everyday cleaner, and it really does a great job at removing the dirt, and it makes this space smell amazing. Here I'm using the scent Mint.
Solid like a granite stamp. Solid like a granite stamp.
It's now time to go through all of their clothes that are hanging up. So to the right of the closet I have Luke's clothing, and then to the left I have Aiden's. Aiden is my oldest, he is 7, and Luke is my middle child, and he is 5. He is kind of a smaller 5, so the way I am going through his clothes is he will have size 5 He will have some size 4 since he does tend to be a little bit smaller, but he will also have size 6s in here waiting on him. So that's why you're probably going to see that he has a lot more clothes than Aiden does. But I am just going through each piece of clothing one by one. For the most part, I don't think there was a lot of Aiden stuff mixed up with his. It's mostly just stuff I have to go through to make sure it still fits Luke. It could have been some 3s in there, or there could have been some 3s in there, or there could have been some 4s that maybe didn't fit him. So I'm just going through them and making sure the sizes are going to be his sizes. And then the way I like to organize their hanging clothing is by costumes, coats, jackets, sweaters, long sleeves, and then short sleeves. And then lastly, you'll see here is pants, and sometimes I hang belts up, but sometimes they go in the bottom in the drawers. So now it's on to the left side, Aiden's side. This side always goes quicker because Aiden is the one that always gets new clothes. He gets all the new clothes. Luke does too, but he does still get hand-me-downs. So this will go rather quickly. I'll have to remove small sizes such as 6 and 7s. He does have some new clothes in there that are 8s. Like I said, he's 7. He usually lines up his age with his size. So I'll keep 7s and I will keep 8s.
When we started talking, we were kids, and I knocked down all of your mobiles, but you did not seem to mind at all. We took our bikes to the lake after school each day and skipped many stones from the beach, and one thing you said was, listen, I will have your back always. Changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone. It came very sudden today when we moved away from what had been our home since forever. I was scared then.
So this is where I keep their shoes. It is just a door hanger that I got from Target, and I put Aiden's shoes on the top and Luke's shoes on the bottom.
I know we're gonna stay the same, and now we're grown up. I don't really see you enough.
So now I'm going through the boys' white container drawers that I keep their underwear and their socks and their accessories in. First, I'm just going to wipe down with the Miss Myers Clean Day, and then I'll start at the top. I like to take everything out of these, go through each piece of clothing and put it back. So again, this is just their underwear, their socks, and then the bottom I found hats, gloves, belts, and sunglasses. So now I'm going through all their clothes that I keep in these blue containers. The top drawer I put their pajamas in. The middle drawer is their t-shirts, and then the bottom is their shorts. And they both have one of these on either side of the closet.
This is the after of their closet. I decided to put their luggage bags in the top. They both have their own. And then I bought these baskets from Target. I have not put anything in them yet, but they're a pretty good size. And I believe I'm going to put their extra linens in there. So when we need to change their sheets or wash them, we have an extra set. I have their extra hangers here in the middle. There's Aiden's hang up clothes, and then in the bottom we have all of the stuff that should be folded. They both have a blue container and a white container for clothes. I did set their backpacks down here. Those are not gonna stay. I'm thinking about hanging them on this side of the wall, you won't be able to see them and they'll be out of the way. And this side is Luke's hang up clothes. And again, he has the blue container, and each of them are the same how I store their clothes. So the first one is pajamas, t-shirts, and shorts. And then in the white containers, we have their underwear and their socks. And then the bottom one are their accessories, hats, belts. What else is in there? Soccer gear, stuff like that. Little things that are just random. And then I don't know about you guys, but my boys have toys that don't necessarily fall into a toy container. And I'll probably post a video later about how I store their toys. But some of these are just like random toys that they want to be able to get to daily. And so I call them their special buckets. I need another name, but those are their special buckets, and they use that to put just their toys that maybe don't have a permanent place. Like this is some kind of rock thing that you dig, and then little stuffy Pokemon cards, Beyblades, special planes or trucks. So I'm keeping those there for now, but this is the overall view of their closet. This is the shape I like to keep it in, and all their shoes are missing because they don't put their shoes up like I asked them to. Anyways, so this is the overall closet, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in my next video. Bye.